What's going on YouTube, man? It's Up4 Trap, man. I'm back here, man, with a whole nother one. Anyways, I moved to Charlotte. A lot of people don't even know that yet. But yes, I did move to Charlotte, as y'all can see right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't really see much. But about ready to go to another little meet or whatever. And also, man, I need y'all opinion on something. What do y'all want to see on the channel? Like, what else what kind of content y'all want to see? I mean, honestly. But this main video is just showing that I moved to Charlotte or whatever. And like I said, it's a lot of stuff, man, that's happening right now. Actually, yeah, bringing the car to the channel, so y'all stay tuned up for that. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get this video to 1,000 likes. That's been my goal. I'm saying that every video until it happens again. 1K likes on the video, so let's stay tuned up for that. But I don't know if I should get rid of these rims or not, bro. Like, I'm about to show y'all these jumps. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back black. That's the goal. Probably go back black, so you can see right there, man. I'm back. I'm back in the game. I'm back in the game, bro. So I got the new wheels on there, and y'all stay tuned up for that. For real. Now I ain't gonna count. Yeah. Yes, sir. And yes, everybody been asking me. Yes, I did move to Charlotte. I did move to Charlotte, so look, I'm trying to tell y'all. If y'all in Charlotte want to be on the channel, y'all hit me up. Everybody hit me up. If you want to be on the channel, hit me up. And stop playing, you know what I'm saying? For real. Because I mean, I'm dropping bangers each and every day, so how that go? I ain't lie, it feels amazing, man, to be able to move to Charlotte. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let me chill out, because I ain't gonna put the address in there. But this right here, the neighborhood. I ain't gonna lie, this neighborhood really don't like squatted trucks, so they look at me kind of funny. They look at me kind of funny, man, because I ain't gonna lie, a squatted truck don't really look right going through this neighborhood, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. They really don't even like that down here in Charlotte. So, but you know me, I'm just gonna be me and do me. Look at that. They never seen nothing like it. Look at them. I told you they don't like it. I told y'all they don't like it. Look at them. Woo! Bro, I'm getting these reactions in the neighborhood. They really don't like that jump, bro. Oh, man. They don't like this shit, bro. This shit funny. New guy in the neighborhood, and we just not getting reactions, so look at this. Look. Hey, bro, this jump funny, bro. Just going to the neighborhood. Just a new guy to the neighborhood, y'all. I'm just a new guy to the neighborhood. So, y'all, the first day in the neighborhood, recording with my squatted truck, bro, it is crazy. They don't like it around here, bro. Like, the guy was just sitting there like this, like, I was like, oh, I ain't gonna lie, they don't like the squatted truck in the new neighborhood, so I don't know if I can even keep this going or not. I don't know, I don't know, I'm kind of liking this right here. I'm kind of liking this, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, so I ain't gonna lie, I've been getting some good reactions today. They don't really like the squatted truck stuff. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, my alignment is bad off, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like, the alignment is real bad off. I got the windows down, so yes, sir, but that's gotta get done. Hey, why not turn out to your own song, man? Why not? I can go on your order. I swear I don't see my truck at me. The haters, man. They watch me doing my dance. Bands, 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 bands. I'm for track the man. My truck, hard. Hey, y'all playing with me, man. I got $1,000 rolling on my wrist, man. Y'all mad because I'm on a 4 track, man. Don't play with me. Live performance. Live performance for y'all. Hey. But man, good gracious, bro. I hate driving on 85. 85 is rough, man. I hate it out here. So we finally made it, man, and I was just out here again, once again at a little get together. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I never really got to get like a good day video of these lights. So, like I said, man, here we go. And I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm not even gonna count. These mugs are bright. I ain't gonna lie. I just want to figure out why. Like, I just want to know why they keep getting like real hot. So, I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, they're pretty bright though. Yes, sir. They ain't gonna lie, they very pretty bright. So, yes, sir. Bro, I'm gonna ride the car to the channel. Yeah. Boy, got the rep on there. You got that young dog. That young dog rep on that mug. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And you already know we got that Carolina boy stuff, so. I ain't gonna lie, he need to take that. He need to take that one in the neighborhood. He need to take that one in the neighborhood. God, this mug is leaning. This mug is leaning on the street tire. Crazy. The mug is leaning on street tires. It's crazy, right? Then my boy got the 4 Giottos on the Jeep. he got the 4 Giotto. No. Hey man, everybody tell happy birthday on the channel right now.
Yeah, I'm 22, man.
Hey, for real, y'all tell happy birthday on the channel. Boy, that boy got the 4 Giottos on his mug. We got the old baseball player right here. Get out of here. We got the old baseball player right here.
Chill out, bro.
The old 4 Giottos on this mug, man.
He said 4 Giottos.
For real.
I'm looking at it.
Boy, love these round body right here. Boy, love them I actually been thinking about getting an SUV, man, but I honestly don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. So like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, I really been thinking hard on it, bro, and like, I just don't even know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now, I came out to the fair. Look at that. And this is what you see at a fair in the Carolinas. Now, a lot of y'all down north and all those places like that, y'all ain't really used to that kind of stuff. So, and like I said, I'm really about to bring a car to the channel, so y'all let me know, cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just want to check out this car stuff. So I don't know. I just. I mean, y'all tell me what y'all think. Would y'all want to see a car on the channel? I'm really trying to work up to get that C8. And once I get to that, man, it is over. It's game over. Like, I'm not even playing no more, so I don't know. So what?
Hey YouTube, it's Anna here.
Nah, you don't even start off like that. You don't even start off like that.
Huh?
You don't even start off like that. You gotta do a little different than that. Okay. That's diamonds right there? Yeah. How much you pay for that?
1,128.
Okay. I see you.
This is diamonds too.
For real?
How much you pay for that?
Bro, it ain't focusing. How much you pay for that? Oh, you said how much I pay for that? $80. But spinning stuff, I can't do it. Hey, let me ask you, did that face get y'all? So here we go, man. Two girls about to bang it out, man. So here we go. And man, I'm trying to tell you. Okay, okay. Go! Go! Oh! Okay. Okay. Man. It cleans up. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Damn. Here we go. You good? Here we go. Oh, no. That's, no. Okay. I'm trying to make sure my camera. Get up in there, good. Come on, Larry. Come on, Larry. Hey, come on. Give me more guitar. Hold on. Go for it.
He has a mouthpiece in.
Get on that head, Elijah. Get on that head now. Okay. What's that?
Lord. Oh, Lord.
Hey, man. Who picked up your girl?
Whose decision? Okay. Let that blow.
What do you do? Oh, all right.
Hey, bro, show what's up.
Dodging them shit, I ain't gonna count.
Good fight.
It's on that ass. All right. Okay, get it. That's right here. Let's go. Get down with it. 15 seconds. Get down with it, go. Get down with it, go. Get in there, Elijah. Get in there. Oh, man. Whoa. Come on now. Come on in there, right?